Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny. My project for today is a small glass case. Now it's time to create. For this project, I didn't really have to sketch a lot, just some rectangles to decide on dimensions. And if you had noticed, I'm sketching on a recycled paper So for the next step, I'm using a glass sheet and a regular glass cutting pen which I got from Amazon, and I used it to get these glass cuts. Next, I used silicone to glue all these glass pieces and formed two identical halves of this case. Now this case is pretty small and I didn't want to use chunky hinges on them, so I made a tiny one out of thin tin sheet, and it's easy to make as well. I also made two middle edges bar for this case. So if you liked today's project, I want to mention that I found this glass case very cute and would definitely make many glass projects in future. And I'm sure you guys could relate. It's like when you find something interesting, you keep on doing it again and again till one day you realize you have been doing it a lot and then you take a break from it. So I'm gonna do the same till I find something new to work on. Next, I glued this hinge to form our glass case. At this point, it's a blank canvas, and I decided and used glass paint and gold paint to decorate it. Now in end, I covered the edges of this glass case with thick blue paper. Guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. It would be great if you like, share and subscribe to my account. You can also follow me on Instagram at creativeheadhm. Guys, do take care. Love and light. Bye.